Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Immigration YTTV. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about green card holders' new rules that every lawful permanent resident in America must know. The U.S. government has introduced new rules that every green card holder must follow to maintain their lawful permanent resident status. From stricter travel guidelines to enhanced scrutiny of criminal records, even small missteps can lead to serious consequences. It's now more important than ever to understand your rights and responsibilities as a permanent resident. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The U.S. government is working to strip some American citizens of their green card citizenship, with the Department of Justice focusing on this issue. The Trump administration's strict immigration policies are causing significant challenges to green card holders in America. Green card holders are lawful permanent resident in America, but time and again, the U.S. authorities have issued warnings to green card holder to abide by U.S. laws to avoid cancellation of their lawful permanent status. There have been instances when green card holders had their status canceled by the U.S. authorities. U.S. citizenship in danger. Green card holders who naturalized into American citizens face the risk of losing their citizenship, with the U.S. government working to strip some Americans of their citizenship status, with the Department of Justice focusing on this issue. New rules for green card holders. Further, there have been certain new rules introduced for green card holders that they need to be aware of. Recently, U.S. authorities have introduced new changes for green card holders, requiring them to use a new Form I-90, to replace their permanent resident cards starting May 29, 2025. This change requires those filing Form I-90 to meet new requirements specified by USCIS. Another new USCIS rule applies to all foreigners submitting application to register permanent residence or adjust status while in the U.S. The USCIS policy manual has been updated to clarify that a Form I-693, Report of Immigration Medical Examination and Vaccination Record, signed by a civil surgeon on or after November 1, 2023, is only valid while the application the Form I-693 was submitted with is pending. Form I-693 submitted with a withdrawn or denied application becomes invalid. This guidance applies to applications pending or filed after June 11, 2025. Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill has become a law now, and the newly introduced remittance tax will hit green card holders when they remit money to home countries starting next year. The controversial remittance tax was first proposed at a rate of 5%, then reduced to 3.5% by the House of Representatives, and finally capped at 1% by the U.S. Senate. The 1% remittance tax will apply to money transfers made by immigrants, including Indians, in the U.S. after December 31, 2025. The tax imposed will apply only to the remittance transfer for which the sender provides cash, a money order, a cashier's check, or any other similar physical instrument to the remittance transfer provider. The 1% remittance tax will not apply to any remittance transfer for which the funds being transferred are withdrawn from an account held in a financial institution, including banks. The newly introduced remittance tax will also not apply to money transfers made using a debit or credit card which is issued in the United States. These new regulations serve as a warning to all green card holders. Your status is not guaranteed unless you comply with the law in full. Staying informed and cautious can make the difference between securing your future in the U.S. and facing possible deportation. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.